Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by stabilizer removal right now. Remove the keycap with a puller, not sideways, to avoid bending the wire. Once done, gently release the clips holding the stabilizer housing using a small flat screwdriver and tweezer. This exposes the wire and stems. Make sure to photograph the layout before you move parts so you can reassemble exactly. Keep parts separated in containers so nothing mixes up. This saves time and prevents lost clips later. Now you clean and inspect every component so the stabilizer will feel smooth and stable. Once removed, wipe housings and wires with isopropyl and a microfiber cloth, and look closely for cracks or bending that cause rattle. If parts are damaged, replace the specific housing, stem, or wire. Otherwise, prepare for lube. Make sure to apply a thin, even layer of lubricant to the wire and the stem rails, just enough to reduce friction without creating gunk. Finish by reassembling with careful alignment. Seat the wire into the stabilizer stems and snap the housings back into the plate. Ensure the wire sits in the groove and is oriented correctly. Once assembled, replace the keycap and press through full travel to check smoothness and tone. If you still hear rattle or uneven feel, make sure to try a different lubricant, swap to a new housing or stem, or add a small foam mod. That troubleshooting tip often resolves remaining noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.